Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 16th to 26th. August 14th to the 18th, we have the westerlies that remain across the northern U.S. And we have a couple upper lows that will be affecting the weather across the nation. We have one in the southern and central plains, and the one in the east. And the one over the mid-Atlantic will be pushed offshore as a trough enters the Great Lakes. And we'll look at that in the ensemble means, see if we can get it here. Oh, maybe have another. I thought I had the ensemble means up here. Let me check. No, I guess I don't. Well, I had them up there. Must have lost them. The slow-moving upper low of the east will assure wet conditions with episodes of locally heavy rainfall. Some of it can be true. Some of it will also be true for the southern and central plains, and we're going to look at the rainfall amounts across these regions. Okay, we're going to be here tomorrow. We see heavy rain here. We have rain here across the Mid-Atlantic. This is the GFS. Then we look at the European for the same time. And then we go forward into Monday. Still have heavy rain here. Not so heavy rain here in the east. And then we go forward to Tuesday and Wednesday. Now here we can see like we have heavy rainfall here in the central southern plains of Mississippi Valley. And also here for portions of the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. And then we go into Wednesday, then the system gets kicked out. But now this heavy rain that was over here pushes eastward. This heavy rain will pose a threat of flash flooding in some locations, and daily diurnal activity is forecast in the southwest. August 17th to 21st. The westerlies remain across the northern U.S. with a ridge in the west and an upper trough or low in the southern plains, as you can see right here. Models in good agreement with this flow. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, we get to the map, above normal temperatures here and here. I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 12 degrees above normal with some higher anomalies. Here you can see in the west 18 degrees above normal. We have below normal temperatures here with anomalies of near 6 degrees would be forecast. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. That's the wrong map. But it's similar. So let me see. Let me get. Okay. Here it is. Forecast on above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. And above normal precipitation forecast for much of this region here with the upper lows and diurnal activity here in the southwest. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Look at the period for August 22nd to the 26th. Here we are at the 22nd. And we still have a ridge that'll be in the west. And a tendency for a trough in the east. You can see here across much of this area here, we have a broad trough. So the models again are in good agreement. Now what's further backs a trough here in the east is a recurvature of a typhoon over the western Pacific. And that'll have implications on the flow further downstream as the system is supposed to recurve and go into Canada later during this period. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. And the forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more, again, here in the west, will be closer to 18 degrees above normal. And below normal temperatures are forecast for this region, a little bit towards near normal further east, forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal, and for precipitation, forecasting little change in the precipitation anomalies. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 14th to the 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.